What's up, world? Look what we got. Oh yeah. That's right. JDM, bro. My buddy Coleman's car. He showed up a few minutes ago. Today, we're going to be lowering this thing on some Fortunatos and throwing on these sick JDM wheels. So it should be a good little transformation. I know Coleman's pumped. Yeah.
What's up?
But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get the car lifted, put on jack stands, and then we'll start going through the motions. You know how these things go. So we got one of the front coils out. These things are super nice. Pillow ball top mount. Real beefy rings. Yeah. These are going to be really nice.
These are sick.
It's the rear pillow ball mount. Man. Super clean. I love the color too. That finish is nice.
The color is great.
Well, we got the wheels off, and then all we did was just soak down the lower knuckle nuts and bolts with some PB Blaster and let that sit for a few more minutes, and then we're going to go ahead and start getting this off. Should be easy to do. Alright, just a little side-by-side comparison. Look at the size difference in this thing. Big old honking spring. Little baby spring. Okay, so we already did the driver's side. Sounds so weird to say. Got that knocked out. So like basically what you want to do for this brake line is just kind of get you a tap, get you a hammer, and then knock her, and she'll come loose. Just like that. Boom. That easy. Brake line comes out. Boom. Okay, so we've got the knuckles just kind of held onto the sway bar with some zip ties. I'm gonna go ahead and undo the top head bolts and then just take out the whole shock body. It's real easy. So for the brake line right here, all you want to do is just kind of get this part behind this bracket right here, and then just slide it on, and then push it forward like that. And then grab your clip, and then just slide her on. So that's what it looks like. A little clip, no big deal. Got our knuckle nuts and bolts in. Top hat is in. Looks really good. So yeah, we got both sides of the front on. So we're going to snug up everything, make sure torque down to spec. We're going to lower it, and we're going to start adjusting the front. Not on a strictly rear-wheel drive car, you can do staggered. Damn! Okay, so as you can see, got a little adjustments to do. No big deal. Third time's a charm. Oh yeah, let's get the wood.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah, we need a 2x4 now.
It's like, I drive the shit out of it.
Right? Dude, this is gonna be legit. Alright, let's do it. Let's do it. Dude, look at that. That's it. That's it right there, bro. And honestly, I don't even think we're gonna have to roll the front.
Really?
No, you have plenty of clearance. Like, look at this.
Fuck.
Yeah.
Smart enough. Fuck.
Oh, there you go. Perfect. You're good. Low life. That's awesome. Go! Bro, you are so low. It looks so good.
With the back wheels on, I think it's gonna raise the front up a little bit too because it's slanted. Right
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Yeah, you're at a huge angle, but still.
Shit looks like
That's crazy to that look as a 15.
yeah.
It's gonna be good though. You want up? Just stay in the left lane. You know where that tree is?
Oh yeah, she's low.
Yeah, like.
All right, we're gonna start doing the rears.
Yeah, you wanna take that corner not to.
Oh yeah, yeah. Look, yeah, you can just roll it up.
Yeah.
There we go. I'll get up there and I'll grab it. Yeah, she's coming. She's coming. Perfect. So yeah, right now we're removing the interior panels. We just got some trim piece tools, just popping out the little clips. No big deal. The shock body is underneath these two panels right here. So we're gonna get those off, and then we'll show you what it looks like.
Sucks.
Right.
This one's tight. You have to be like really gentle with this clip.
Not really. Just try not to scar up the paneling.
Yeah, I'm just worried about breaking the clip.
No. It'll pop right out once you get that right behind it.
Yeah, I got it underneath.
There you go. Yeah, and just pull out. Haha. There you go. Just like that. Okay, and then after you get all the clips out and everything like that, it's gonna be 2 Phillips screws right here. And you want to have a pan to put all your clips in, keep everything organized, that way you're not searching around for stuff.
Just finesse it out. Oh, look. Is there one over there?
Now it's that rubber trim. Just pull that rubber trim up.
Yeah. Look right here. Just move that.
I didn't know if there was like a slip.
Yep.
I think that's it.
So yeah, you just move this rubber trim out of the way, and then it should slide right out. And there is the top of the shock. And this is probably just a cap. So, rubber cap. Pop them off. Boom. That'll expose your top hat nuts. Just like that, a little bit. Boom. It's thin. So
that's all you really need.
Yeah, it's thin. So what we'll do is put this back like that, and then undo this clip right here. Try that to get behind it. Kind of pull it out a little bit.
Yeah, this one.
There you go. And then look, we can take this,
Just
come behind. Oh. There you go. Now you can slide the 90 out. Boom. Oh, I think it's up here. Got it.
I didn't know it was gonna pop off if we just pushed it.
Yeah.
Because I usually do it. You don't pry. You just push.
Yeah,
and then
just push, and then this wedge
Usually
will
I
kind of put pressure on it.
Okay.
Let's see. Okay, so we got all the fasteners out on this side. So same thing. Move this molding out of the way. And that frees up the back. And you can just take the whole thing out. Boom. And then, like I said, same thing. This is just a rubber cap, prevent any kind of moisture from rusting out the top of the shock tower and all that good stuff. And yeah, so now we're going to get the back jacked up. We're going to get the wheels off. We're going to undo the bottom first, and then we're going to come and undo the top. You can break the top of the shock tower and then start taking out the bottom. Just makes it kind of easy, just kind of give you a little bit of wiggle room and stuff like that. But you don't want to take these all the way off because you want them to hold them in place, obviously. Makes it easier to take the whole shock body out. That way you're not wrestling with it. All right, a little side-by-side comparison of the back. Huge difference. It's going to be a really nice upgrade. Going to handle like a beast. So what we're going to do is we're going to throw some lubricant on that ball joint. And yeah, we're going to try to slide it back on.
Grab it, pin it down, push it down a little bit.
There she is. Boom. Just like that. So we got it on. We're gonna throw the nut on there and get the other side done. So we're just tightening up the collars, just like that. We've already got the top of the shock tower tightened up. Boom. Both sides are on. Like I said, for this bottom part, you're gonna have to use a little bit of spray lube. It helps to slide the bottom part of the shock onto the rear control arm area, I guess you would call it. But yeah, looks good so far. We're about to throw the wheel on, and then more than likely, we're gonna have to roll the fender back here. Hopefully we don't have to pull it. We test fitted the wheel, and there's enough camber to where it clears. But like I said, we might just have to roll this inside right here. But we're about to find out. All right, so we're just heating up the fender. I'm about to start rolling it. Just want to slowly work it. You don't want to go too fast, you will f it up. You always want to make sure you touch it, make sure it's nice and hot. It's a slow process. It's a good thing we only have to do the back, but typically you want to spend about 30 minutes on each side. Slowly heating it, slowly putting pressure. You don't want to overheat the paint because it will bubble.
Nice.
There we go.
That's a good roll.
Oh yeah, she's looking good. That's what you want, fellas.
Yeah, that's rolling.
You just want this roll just to come around. We're just gonna fold this lip in, and that's it. That's all it is. And the more you fold it, the more pressure you can put on the fender. You don't want to put too much to like pull the fender. You just literally want to fold this in. That's all it is. That's all there is to it. Constantly touch the paint. Check the temperature. You want it hot, but you don't want it too hot. You should be able to keep your hand on there for a little while, and you'll feel the heat. Well, we're doing this so that the paint doesn't spider web. You're heating the top layers of the paint and the clear. Makes it soft along with the metal. Prevent those spider webs. You will have to readjust multiple times. Just a part of it, no big deal. And what I'm doing is I'm just snugging it up against the fender. It's not stupid tight. Literally just snug. Just keep going back and forth with the heat gun. This is why it takes so long. But the more time you spend on it, the better the result. No reason to rush these things. Okay, so there's your finished product. Nice clean fold. Looks good. Came out really nice. So we're gonna go ahead and knock out the other side, and then we'll get her on the ground, show you what it looks like. All right, got both sides rolled. Good clearance. Here she goes, fellers. Ooh! Got it? Nope, we need more wood.
Are you serious? That's what she said.
Yep. All right.
That should be good.
Yep.
Oh.
Good. Look at the fitment, bro.
Almost.
Look at the fitment.
Looks good.
Can't get your fingers in there, man. Go.
Cool. Well, let's roll it back on the 2x4. We'll move the 4x4, and then we'll roll it back, just in case. Yeah, just in case. Pull it. Okay, good. Nice. Woo. Oh, there she goes. Nah, that's cool. We got clearance.
Just enough, dude.
Right?
It's like just enough height for it, yeah.
Oh, dang.
Might have just a parking brake.
Yeah, well, no, I was kind of pulling on it just because I didn't want to roll back too
Yeah.
fast.
Yeah.
Yes, dude.
Yeah.
This is like so nice. God, this is so nice.
Yeah, I'm speechless.
The front's just a little more in the front, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Shove them out there a little more. Maybe 10 millimeters.
Woo!
5, maybe 10.
My prom day wasn't even this tight, bro. Damn.
And there's like a decent amount of clearance in the front too, like just enough for it to be.
Mhm.
The front looks good.
And it's still got a little bit of a lean to it. Like it's still at an angle. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's not dumpy butt.
Might be binding up too since we just went up and down. Let it roll around, let it.
Yeah, yeah. Nice. Yes, dude. That is definitely what's up.
That's 6K.
It looks so good.
6, 7K.
The clearance.
I wonder if I'm gonna have to like fall into the seat now.
It's perfect.
We're getting out of there, just like
Well, there you go. Lowering a Silvia. Some JDM wheels. That's how it's done. JDM, bro.
That's the perfect amount of lip too.
Yeah. Yeah, the fitment is on point.
Yeah, see, like when I bought these wheels, I bought 2 separate chairs, and I got the tires that are on the front wheels right now go on the back wheels, and vice versa. So the front wheels out smaller had the big.
Well, there you go, guys.
So I went
Appreciate y'all checking it out. And as always, thank you to everyone who has been subscribing. We appreciate you guys joining us. Stay tuned. We'll have more things going on.
not even like obnoxiously wide either. Like,
No.
there's no-
We'll see you on the next one.